This was a really interesting integration we built recently that was taking contacts from Xero and adding them to Sendlane. Sendlane was being used by this client to communicate and upsell to their e-com clients. And as part of their process, they were creating invoices, which again had contacts, so a separate flow. Every time they sold something, they added a contact and an invoice into Xero. That was then passed on through to Sendlane and added to a specific group because they knew that this person had completed a purchase and so needed to be added to a specific marketing funnel. This was ACID, so it was watching Xero or being checked every day. And as soon as they found new contacts that didn't exist already in Sendlane, it was added to Sendlane. This is what the flow looked like, very simple. You'll be able to recreate this yourself, but the blueprint is available on our website. But as I said, watching contacts in Xero, as we all know Xero, and then adding it as a contact in Sendlane to a specific group. If you're not familiar with Sendlane, it's email and SMS communications for e-com brands. If you have any questions on this, please post them below in the video. Otherwise, give it a shot and see how it works.